Alright, so we're going to factor another quadratic. It's z squared minus 3z minus 28. And I always taught you the first thing to do is look through here, identify your ABC, or look to see if you can pull anything out. You can't pull anything out, and A is understood to be 1, B is negative 3, and C is negative 28. So since nothing will come out, we will go ahead and jump to step 2, where we look for two factors. We multiply together to give us A times C, which in this case will be negative 28, and add up to be B, which in this case is negative 3. So they're different signs. The bigger one's negative. It is actually negative 7 and positive 4, it looks like. So it's always good to double check that, because if you mess that up, the rest of it's wrong. But we'll create our two factors with 1z minus 7 and 1z plus 4. Step 4, nothing comes out. Step 5, there was nothing from a step 1 to put back with it. So the final factored version is z minus 7 times z plus 4. Thank you.